Hello everybody, what we're going to do today is a continuation of what we've been doing previously. We're going to solve equations. Now this time the equations are going to be a little bit more complicated. So what we're going to do with this one is we're going to solve this equation here. Now we want to know what x could be. What number for x would make this whole number sentence, this equation, true? So step by step we'll unpack it until we get to x equals something which will be the solution. Now the first thing I've done is to rewrite my equation from up here to down here. The next thing I'm going to do is to times by 3. Now if I times by 3 each side, well 8 times 3 is 24. And you see how I've got times by 3 and divide by 3 here? These are opposites and cancel out. So I can even put a cross through them if I like. And I'll be left over on this left hand side with 5x plus 4. What do I need to do next to get x on its own? Well, I'll probably need to get rid of this plus 4. Now the opposite of a plus 4 is a minus 4. So I've minus 4 on each side, so I've kept my equation balanced by doing the same thing to both sides. Plus 4, minus 4 are opposites and will cancel out. And will just leave me with 4x on the left hand side. 24, take away 4, will leave me 20. So I'm almost there, and you'll notice at each step, when I started with this, the equation looked quite complicated. After I multiplied on both sides by 3, the equation looked a little bit better. Now that I've added or taken away 4 on both sides, the equation looks even easier here. How can I solve for x here to get x equals 2? Well, between the 5 and the x is a times. The opposite of a times is a divide. So I think I'll divide by 4 on both sides. Times by 5, divide by 5. They're opposites and will cancel out. So it'll just leave the x. 20 divided by 5 is 4. So the answer will be x equals 4. Now I might just check to make sure that when I put in x I get 8 out. So 5 times 4, now in place of x I'll put in 4, plus 4 divided by 3. 5 times 4 is 20, 20 plus 4 divided by 3, 24 divided by 3, 8, which is what it should be. Alrighty everybody, well I hope that helped and I'll see you in class.